I'm gonna show you how money really works because I know you're flat broke. There's just two things that you need to understand with that little pink sponge of yours called a brain. Number one, redefine hard work. And number two, understand leverage. Let's just start off by defining work. Right now, this is you.
Oh, I'm gonna work so hard. I'm gonna give it so much effort. I'm gonna work long hours. I'm gonna be successful. I can feel it. Oh my God, this is my year.
Stop it. Get some help.
Hard work isn't about the amount of effort or hours you work, you deet. What hard work really means is output, or very simply, results. This is what I mean. Warren Buffett earned $500 million in dividends last year as an owner of Coca-Cola, opposed to the CEO who earned $50 million. So, who really worked harder here? Many of you are still gonna say CEO. That explains your empty pockets. Finally, time is a huge part of the equation here too. No one cares if you make $100,000 in 5 years, but to make it in a week, now, you're a G. Speed determines how hard you work. Now, secondly, you must understand leverage, and this is why. Imagine two salespeople, person A and person B, and they both are putting in 8 hours a day with equal skill levels, with the same contact list of people, both calling at the same time of the day, and both with the same offer. Who would be the harder worker in this case? Person A or person B? The answer is neither, until person A records his pitch and sends it to 10 million people. But person B wins if they hire a team of 10 and have them all send their pitches to 10 million people each. Person B could essentially do 0 calls a day and would still beat person A. This is called leverage. See how that works? Even if person A said, I can still beat all 10 people because my sales skills are just that much better. Well, you can't beat 1,500 mediocre salespeople. There just isn't enough hours and manpower in the day for you to possibly win that battle. So instead of trying to outwork the competition, what you should really be doing is aiming to out-leverage them. If you want to win in life, which you're probably not doing right now at the moment, you need to be able to maximize output and create as much leverage as possible. The difference is in how you allocate your efforts, time, money, and resources each day, and what you get back for them is what determines how hard you work. Start playing the game correctly so you can have everything you wanted and more. Watch this video every single day as a daily reminder.